Hi guys, welcome to my channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. Today I'll be sharing with you how I make my refreshing Bentley mocktail. My blender is ready and I'm gonna start by putting ice in the blender. This is my ice. I'm using my hands. You can use a spoon. I'm making it for myself, so it doesn't matter. The amount of ice required is dependent on how much Bentley you want to make. So let's keep adding the ice until we have the required amount of ice. Yeah, about this much is good for me. Yeah. So then I'm going to add lemon juice. I'm squeezing that half a lemon in the blender. I'm using a strainer. I'm sorry I can't really show you where the strainer is. So I'm squeezing it through the strainer to avoid those seeds falling in the ice. You know, when the seeds go in there, they turn everything. It will just be bitter. Yeah, so we have to avoid that. And then I'm going to add honey. I'm using honey. You can use any sweetener of your choice, sugar, whatever. Yeah, and then then club soda. Pour the club soda in the ice, and I'm gonna bring it to the level of the ice. I think that will make it a little bit liquidy and not icy. Let's see what happens. Blend until all the ice is crushed, or if you could put your blender on crush. So it's ready. I wanted to use this long glass, but I changed my mind. I found this lovely glass. So you pour it in there. Oops. Yeah. Oh my. Yeah, some of the ice was falling out of my glass. You know, I should have used a spoon to scoop out some of the ice into the glass, but I didn't. Next time. No love lost. So I'm using Angostura bitters. I'm gonna add a few drops of it on top of my Bentley. Oh, on top of my my Bentley. And then just a half of a lemon, stick it on the side there to make it look good. Oh, look at that. The bitters just makes it pop out. Yeah, I love this drink so much, especially that I don't drink alcohol.
Thanks for subscribing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye.